Have you ever used a pop grip like this to stick to your phone but found that the tape doesn't stick anymore? Well, the solution is really easy. You can grab a Holdilocks, put a couple little tiny little slots on both sides of your case, string the tie wrap through and secure it just by folding the ends over, because the Holdilocks, those tie wraps are pretty firm, and once you wrap it around it ain't gonna go anywhere. And it holds really nice. You could even use it without the pop socket grip or whatever, but it works nicely both ways. So if you want to have your phone angled a little bit, this could probably help. So there you go. I got another use for Holdilocks that helps me secure my cell phone.